Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream. If my sound's okay, please just, I hope everyone is great. If everybody can hear my sound perfectly, I will start my live stream. No sound.
Okay, I think we are good to go now. If everybody hear me good. everybody can hear me good? Market tries to go up at the moment from the low point. I think my sound is good now and we can start trading. So I'm looking for a long opportunity and I'm about to jump
Order filled.
and let's see. Dollar is going down and Dow Jones is just bouncing from the highs, and let's see what will S&P do. And let's quickly check out the book map here, and there is order at 41.65. Market is now ranging, trying to decide where it should go. My bias for the day is after we see this sell side liquidity zone, we should bounce from here and create new highs of the day. And the highest point is, let's see that it's around like 41.74, and market is just keep falling in the new day. So Now we are trading at the VWAP point, and I'm waiting the bar close above the VWAP so that we can become more bullish for the day. And we had a break of structure here, and we had a gap here which is bullish gap. So I think market will pop up in an upside. We will see now. Just setting up my orders so that we are not missing anything here. I'm using Lax Algos indicator, and you can find the 30% off coupon on the right side of your screen. Feel free to use it. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, and all the indicators on my screen nearly like Salgo's premium indicator. And let's also switch on the signals and overlays. Dollar is just ranging. We want dollar to go down, and we want S&P to go up to see some new moves, because market is just dropping till the midnight, and now it's trying to find its way, and this is the lowest point of the day, 41.50. Let's see if we're going to break this point or make a new highs for the day. And we have the change of character here after the bar close, and price is just fighting between EMA and VWAP line, and it's getting hot here. So let's see what's going to happen. Dollar is in blood. So in the most of the times when the dollar drops, markets goes up, but today is different. There is no correlation between them. We got the buy signal like a half an hour before the market opens, and just watching the markets. Dow Jones dropping, S&P is dropping. Let's see the Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is following them, and Nasdaq always more aggressive than the other indices. So and this was the bullish gap, this was the change of character. Market just popped up in a bullish way when the market opens, and now it's pulling back. It's a very choppy day. If you have any questions regarding to trading, you can shoot while we watch the market, because nothing happened at the moment. We just watching, no rush. Market will offer us a great opportunities today, because we have already seen a great move to the downside, and now are we going to see pullback or continuation on the downside? This is the question for the day. And David QQQ is the same as the market now, and it dropped 0.6%, a little bit more than the other indices. Like I said, it tries to fill that gap, and we have gap here, and the low of the day is 13,068. We're looking for an opportunity to enter any position now. Let's see bookmap, and there is one aggressive order sitting on 4150 on the buy side, and on the sell side we have 4165. Market is just ranging between those levels. Michael asked that, are we going to fill that gap? I think that we can fill the one of those gaps, but if we fill all of those gaps, market will become bearish. So I don't expect that we will fill those two gaps. We can say that market is now trying to pull back, and if there is a chance that, I think there are more chance that market will go up at the moment. I'm talking about the S&P. Let's look at the higher time frames to see what's going on as we wait for an opportunity. This is our Sunday open price, and this is the low of the day, and this is the high in the 5-minute time frame. This level is 4,200, is like a cursed level. When price reached there, it quickly drops down to the, I don't know, it's like a 2%, 1%, whatever, but it doesn't cross this line up yet. But I don't know, are we going to break this curse today? Market is still ranging. In a 5-minute time frame, we can say clearly there is a bearish downtrend. And let's see the 15-minute. After we reach that point, you see how price reacts to that. Huge sell-off, little pullback, second wave, and maybe we will receive the third wave. And on 15-minute and 1 hour time frame, we had the break of structure on a bearish side, and we are still bullish on 4 hour and 1 day. And on the Dow Jones, only 15-minute time frame is bearish. So everything can happen at this moment. We can see a huge spike, or we will see lower lows. Let's watch the market and let's see what happens. There is a squeeze between VWAP and EMA, so I guess we will cross the VWAP, and after that point we can say we are bullish now. But until that time, you see this range is, for me, it's a zero meaning. It's a nonsense. It's just ranging, and I hate ranging markets. I want to see some moves. So there was a technical issues as always in the start of the stream. I don't know why this happened to me all the time, but these kind of things can happen. I hate that, but nothing to do. I'm trying to fix that, but I couldn't find the solution yet. If you guys enjoying my live stream, please hit that like button. We are watching the S&P at the moment. It's trading between VWAP and EMA line, and we will decide whether we will take a short or long position. Dollar is ranging, making lower lows. Dow Jones hitting the day lows at the moment. It's kind of boring at the moment, I know, but the first 30 minutes is always like this. We will wait. Nothing we can do about. Change of character here, break of structure here, a fair value gap here, and this is discount zone, this is premium zone, this is our equilibrium zone. Market can range between those lines, and we have a lot of orders here. You see that this is a future from the price action indicator. I really like it. We are just waiting price to break up or down from this rectangle. Until that time, no moves for me. Let's take a look at the order flow. What's going on in the TradingView? Also, the market net flow is just ranging, nothing so fancy. Puts are winning, calls are losing, price is just ranging, but we want to see some significant move. Dow Jones just bounced from the lows, and dollar is going down. Again, we are bouncing from the EMA. This is 20 EMA, by the way. Those are my indicators. If you want to see ICT concepts, the new indicator from the Lux Algo, and price action concepts from Lux Algo, and signals and overlays. Sunday open, this indicator shows me where the price opened on Sunday night, and this is important for me. Okay, some nice moves. We are just trading above the VWAP now. I would like to see this bar close above this VWAP Let's look at the Nasdaq futures. Nasdaq is ranging. We are waiting to enter position, watching the market on Wednesday. Market just opened 20 minutes ago, and from that time we just see one spike, and after that it's just ranging. I don't know that if we're going to test the 4,200 levels today again. If so, I will put my eye on 4,000. I will show you the on my chart 4,100, no, 244 level. If you guys have any question, you can ask me. I'm using apextraderfunding.com to take any position. I don't risk my own money. It's a great way if you start just starting, and there is a 50% off coupon you can just start using now. Nothing fancy in bookmap also. Market is just sleeping now. We want to see some moves. So for the current condition, this is our lowest point, and let me just mark it out. This can be our sell side liquidity. This VWAP is just like a magnet. You see when the price hits there, it couldn't pass. So we can see a drop down to the downside. I know that it's like a pain to watch something to happen, but this is the 90% of the time what we are doing. So we are watching the market. By that time, if you have any question, you can ask me. And we are trading futures today. I got my eyes on S&P 500 futures. Dollar is dropping, but market just doesn't care. In a normal scenario, if the dollar drops, indices and stocks must rise, but market just like who cares. It will be nice to see some nice spike bar closing with whole green. And this is our previous day low point, and we are trading below that point, so we are making lower lows for today. You see this market is just ranging in the rectangle that we draw, but I'm waiting for 10 a.m. to see something exciting. This is a nice bar that we want to see. I like how this candle formed after make the lowest point of the day, and it just filled that gap and it continues to rise, and we had a change of character here, we had a broke of structure here. So I think we can see some bullish move for the day, at least the first half of the day AM session. Again, we are just trading between EMA and VWAP line. I think the next resistance line will be a previous day low. If we can move above, let's see, 3 minute time frame. And these buy and sell signals from the Lux Algos indicator, it gave us the buy signal at 9 a.m. in the morning, just before the market opens. Let's check the higher time frames. It's so strange bars now. Half tick, half bar. One is green, one is red, one is green, one is red. Market is just so confused now. This was the high from the yesterday, and after we hit the 4200 we fall back. In a long period of time, market is just ranging. Goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, and higher highs finally, and higher low. So my target for the week was actually 4200 levels, because on a weekly bias I was so bullish. I think everything goes according to plan, so nothing changed for me. I'm still bullish, and no big news this week. I think we have a job report tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. and nothing more this week. And we are watching the market, how it's ranging in this 2.2 handle area. We saw the break of structure. We are waiting price to go up above the VWAP line. So if you are watching for the first time, I am trading futures. I'm using funded account from the Apex Trader, and my indicators are fantastic. Sometimes I follow them, sometimes I don't follow them. Today I didn't follow them, so no position for me yet. Just watching the market with my eyes, following the price action. I'm following the dollar index. I want to see higher highs on a 1 minute time frame anytime soon, please. Now it's 10 past 1 a.m. My favorite time of the day has arrived. Let's look at the book map. So on book map we have aggressive sell orders at 41.65 and nothing so fancy on the sell side. And let's see the TradeX. And still calls and puts are fighting. Nothing new here also. Let's go back to chart. They are fighting with VWAP. Actually on a 1 minute time frame we are now on a bullish run, but anything can change if we just go out of this zone. If this is your first time, please hit that like button. I am doing these live streams on Wednesday and Friday, and if there is no surprise, in weekdays. Maybe I will just come up to your screen. If this price closes above the VWAP, I think it will mean something to me. Just rise. Hello Sasi Shankar, welcome to live stream. Let's switch back to Nasdaq. It's about to make higher high of the day, and we see a nice run. S&P just make a higher highs. 4163.75. Dollar is going down aggressively. If you're just starting new, please do not trade the macro contracts. I think the micros are the best way for you. You can just use you can enter position with 5 contracts, so you can take partials. But if you just bought a $50,000 account and you can trade with 1 or 2 contracts on ES, but it will give you a heart attack because it's a big size for you. You need to set your risk management in a great way so that you will not stress out while you're trading. Just go back below the VWAP again. I think market is testing us. Which indicator? My indicators is Lux Algo price action concepts, Lux Algo signals and overlays, and I have VWAP on my chart, I have EMA on my chart, length is 20, and I have Sunday open indicator, And those two indicators are paid, but you can get 30% off in my description. It has really high percentage win rate. We had the bearish gap here. I think market will feel that. Dollar is still going down. You see, it's a huge downtrend for the dollar. Just little pullbacks and going down, little pullbacks going down, making lower lows. And we want to see higher highs from the S&P and Nasdaq and the Dow Jones. We want to make money today in the live stream. And we are trading in the range that we draw, and it just finished. Let me just stretch it out until the 10, 20. Market is fighting with VWAP, and look at dollar. Dollar is going crazy now. It's just keep dropping, making lower lows. And look at the Dow Jones here. It's complete nonsense. Money never sleeps. Yes, exactly. And nice move from the S&P finally. Are we going to make new highs for the day? Yes, we just make the new highs. Price now going to the previous day low. I think we will broke that, because look at the dollar. It's crushing now. And we got the fill finally. At this point, partials can be good idea, so you can consider that. I couldn't set it up while I was talking, so I missed it. Sell point, gosh. But no problem, we got the fill, and price is just running. I think we will range here some quiet time, but you see that we just broke this rectangle finally. You remember that we just drove this when we start live streaming. I don't know what's going on. Okay. And this was the cursed rectangle. Finally we broke. I think we will see some range between those lines. If we fill that gap, we will close our latest position. I have entered with 5 contracts. I have left with 1 contract. I think we might get stopped out. I put my stop loss under the fair value gap. $41.61 is my stop here. If it hits there, I am out of the position, but we made some great money. Let me just check it. $175 profit for the day at the moment, and it's going up. $225 for the day. So I don't like the price action now. It's just pushing, coming back, pushing, coming back. But green is green. $225. I don't know if you can see it from my screen. Let me just share it with you. You see, this is my profit for the day, $225. I think it's something. I'm just watching the market, no rush. My target is 41.70. It's a good time to jump in long trade because we see this bullish gap, and there is a bullish gap also. Market is just respecting the gaps, so this means that you can take a long position and put your stop loss to the second fair value gap or the nearest fair value gap. I took another long position. Let's see what will happen. After you enter position, stop loss is very important because you don't want to get stopped out in something somewhere stupid, because after it hits your stop loss it can just rocket. This is very important. So if you just entered now, I will put my stop loss somewhere under this rectangle cursed box. It will be appropriate place to put your stop loss. Market make equal lows here, and market just make a higher high of the day and pull back, run for the second time and the third time. Now I think we will see the target we make that point. So if you just enter the break up, 1.8 risk reward ratio is good. We are trading S&P futures. Dollar just bounced from the lowest point of the day. I think it will keep ranging. Let's see the TradingView. What market flow tells us. Calls are moving up, you see, and this was a huge gap, but gap is closing. So if the calls are up, most probably price will go up. Easy rule, right? very aggressive sell order sitting in the top, and this is our take profit point, and there is a 300 contracts waiting for to dump the price, and there are 277 at 41.68, so you can take your partials somewhere here, 41.67. We traded live the first position of the day, and we have profited $225 from the S&P 500. And we are looking for a new profit. Now we are just watching the market. For me, it's like I really didn't like the price action today. Dollar going down, market doesn't react, just ranging, acting like a drunk guy. But there is a higher chance that market will go up, but not so much, I guess. But we will see. Price will always go to the liquidity zones. Market wants more money. Market wants blood. Market wants retail traders to lose money and fund the institutional traders. This is the rule. And second long position of the day, we are long at the moment with the 5 micro contracts, and we are waiting to opportunity to take some partials and then our take profit point. So if you enjoyed the live stream, do not forget to hit the like button. I really like to see them. Market still ranging. And guys, if you didn't become a member yet and the campaign is still going on, for the first 100 person I am giving away the founder role in the Discord server. Do not miss this. There is a link in the description. You can become a member of my Discord channel, and I will give you a founder role. You will have an access to all channels, unlimited access. You can ask questions, you can talk with me, and you can get my trade ideas. We are waiting price to do something. As you guys see that there is no move from the market open. Let's see together. Market open at 9:30, and from that point, let's see, there is a 0.18% move just happened. So market is moving like a turtle. Let's check the higher time frames. There is a gap, easy to see, right? And there is a gap also. Market always likes to fill those gaps, now or tomorrow, but it will fill that gap. This is the first gap, and this gap happened today in the Asian session while we sleep. Let's see that if the market fill those gaps, we have 1 and 2 gaps, and our take profit for the day is 41.70, and we have entered long position. Can we also trade Nasdaq, or you mean the Dow Jones on live session? Yes, of course we can trade. Why not? And you know, most of the time they are correlated. So if the Nasdaq goes up, S&P will go up, but Nasdaq will react more. What I mean by that is, if the S&P move 1 pip, Nasdaq will move 2 pips. So this is how it goes. But of course we can trade the Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So I have Dow Jones opened up here. If I see some opportunity, I will enter. But you see that market is just doesn't tell me anything. It's ranging in this area and so boring. And look at the dollar. It's just falling knife, but market doesn't react to that. I don't believe that market just entered the cursed rectangle zone again. Let's stretch the dot. Unbelievable. I really miss the volatile days. Market just hit the wave up. Let's see if it breaks or bounced from there. VIX is just flat. VIX is, you know, the volatility index. So kinda boring day, I know. But we have already made our money, $225. We traded live. It was boring market, but nothing to do. Do not chase the positions, guys. Just wait for opportunity come to you. Dollar is rising and making a fair value gaps and nothing more. If you guys have any question, you can ask me, and do not forget to hit the like button. So we are waiting for the price again. What are you guys trading? Did you catch any position today? Did you make any profit or loss? Or did you trade live with me? It is fine. Yeah, this is the same template that I always use. This is my to go template. This is my favorite at the moment, but it can change regarding to market situation. But now this is my favorite. You guys know that I use this Lux algo indicators, and I have EMA and VWAP on my chart. We got a buy signal on 15-minute time frame from signals and overlays indicator. You see that we got the buy signal, and this cloud returns to bullish also, and this line also returned to bullish. So this is a good chance that price will go up, because there is a high probability that this indicator gave this buy and sell signals, and even it is in higher time frames, there is a higher chance. There's one question. Can you please share the links for the indicators if you don't mind, please? Of course I don't mind. For these Lux algo indicators, there is a link in the description, and it says that 30% off Lux algo indicators, and you can buy them with 30% off coupon, and if you don't like it, you can get your money back in 30 days. And the other indicators is the VWAP and EMA, just this. I don't have more. So this Sunday open, nothing so fancy, just one line ICT concept. This is on a trial version. I'm just trying it out to see how good it is, so I can't say now use it or not. But these two indicators are very nice, and if you combine with VWAP and EMA, you will become a master. Just kidding. Of course, you need to control your emotions while you're trading. Indicators is just like for us to guide in the darkness. It will keep you bright, the market conditions like this, but you will press the button and you will control your position. You will set your position size, the most important thing. I hate these ranging markets. We got the change of character here. You're welcome, Yash. And thank you for being member to my channel. You said VWAP and EMA. Yes. EMA is exponential moving average. I will make a detailed video on my day trading setup very soon, because this is my most recent setup. It just changed like 1 week ago or so. No, it's like a 2 week, and I am making very nice money with this. I can't complain. Yeah, if it's going to be helpful, I will glad to do that. I am really loving helping you guys. It's my pleasure to sharing my experiences, because I was the same place like you. I don't know what to do. I don't know what should I buy or sell. Oh my god. Finally, we see the Nice moves now. Higher highs. Highest point of the day. Moving my stop loss. Gosh, I love this. We are making money here, guys. Today this Laxalgo did a great job. Unbelievable. Let's switch to higher time frames. Perfect. Now this cursed rectangle box acting as a support, and we have entered our second long position here, and we put our stop loss to under this. I have took my partials with this break up and move my stop loss higher. It feels good that making money, guys, and trading live with you. It's my third live stream and we made a hat trick. We made money in all of them. I'm really happy about that. So let's see how much we made today so far. $250. Not bad, huh? We could make higher profits, but this price action didn't give me that feeling. You know, I can't feel this price action. So I don't have this groove, I can say. It's so slow. We are trading like an Asian range. Price didn't move even the 0.2%. Just like a torture, huh? But today was a nice day, guys. But in the beginning of the session, we had some technical issues. I am very sorry about that. I don't know why that happens, but nothing to do. So I will be out of my position anytime soon. I just left with one contract. Today is more like a scalping day. 2 handles, 3 handles or so. I don't like scalping so much, but nothing to do with that kind of days. Today's Tuesday? No, today is Wednesday. Yeah, it's I said, come on, what's going on? Today is Wednesday, yes. Maybe it's because there is no news that market can move, or I don't know, everyone is sleeping or what. Look at the Dow Jones. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. So funny. From beginning of the session and until that time, price didn't move. Literally didn't move. And there is a gap. Most probably it will fill. Unbelievable. It's like a FOMC day and there is a rate decision or something that we don't know. Why market is ranging? It's been like a 1 hour and there is no volatility, there is no market move, nothing. Let's take a look at the market flow. Nothing so fancy. Nothing so fancy. Let's take a look at the book map. There is a big order at sitting still 41.70 and nothing more. Oh. I think that was all for the day. Nothing to do, guys. I will catch you in the PM session. If you become the member of the channel, I will keep you updated in the Discord. If I get in any position, I think today something will happen, but maybe they keep this big thing and big move in the PM session. I hope. So I will catch you in Discord. Do not forget to become a member and get your founder role today. Don't forget the first 100%. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And until the next time, see you soon.